This kimchi grilled cheese is so cheesy and delicious. What a great spin on a classic comfort dish. Everyone loves grilled cheese. Drop in some kimchi. I've just got my killer sourdough bread with butter and oil on both sides. I'm giving that a good toast up. So we've got the crunchiness, the creaminess of the butter, all the good stuff. I'm dropping on got a bunch of Mexi melt cheese. I'm throwing that in like 5 kinds of Mexican cheeses. Sriracha, because I want a little more spice. Then my apple kimchi, we're going to be dropping that on here in a sec. There's my other toasted piece. I want that cheese really good and melted, so I put the lid on. Then I'm dropping my apple kimchi. You can find the recipe in my grid. It's really a riff on kimchi, but with the addition of apple, which is perfect for fall, crispy, crunchy, delicious. Get that guy toasted. You want everything toasted, crispy, and super melty so that when you go to slice and take a bite, it's just everything. Spice, nice, apple, cheese, crunchy dough, kimchi grilled cheese. Yum.